Hey, welcome back to Building Dad Bod 2.0. Sorry if I sound a little bit out of breath, doing dynamic leg day. Voiceover in between sets. So tricep day. I can't do any pressing right now without warming up my shoulders really well. So just doing some incline cable press. As you can see at the bottom here, coming out to the side and getting a really big stretch through my chest and shoulders. That was a set of 15. Then we're on to doing some block press. So just started with medium band and 132 pounds on the bar. Plan is to go up to 220 with bands. See what I can do for reps at 220. So last warm-up set here. Or no, sorry, this isn't a warm-up set. This is 220. Got two 210 kg plates on either side. So this is my first working set at 220. Ended up just doing 4 sets of 3. The very fatiguing on the lockout. So that's what I need to work on right now. Going to work hard on rebuilding this lockout. When I was at my strongest on bench press, it was after back surgery, and couldn't load my spine, so that's basically all I did was upper back and bench press for a while until I got my belt squat going and slowly started building up my legs, all my kind of machines for my legs. But at my strongest on bench press, I was 236 pounds and I was block pressing with bands like an animal. So we're going back to that on tricep day. Here I'm going to try doing this superset the right way this time. This set's a 2. But what I found with just doing sets of 2, number one, doing the skull crushers out over my head, I still wasn't getting the full stretch behind my head, and it was hurting my shoulder. So after this set, I upped the weight. There you can see the ones going out overhead. Those bugged my shoulders, so I upped the weight, went back to doing sets of 5. Last week, this wasn't quite the right way to do it from the video I saw, but I got a massive tricep pump, so I figured can't go wrong. So doing the ones just slightly higher out overhead for a set of 5. Then we're going to go into regular skull crushers for a set of 5. After that, we go into JM press for a set of 5. And then close grip bench press for a set of 5. But close grip, basically we do a set of 5 and then right away another set of 5, and we start going back down JM press, skull crushers. And then you'll see I just run out of steam again. I can't get the ones out overhead, but at the end of the day, got an absolutely insane tricep pump. So that's all I really care about right now, getting a ton of blood into my elbows, making them work really hard. The set going up isn't bad. After doing the 10 close grip bench presses into the 5 JM presses, then all of a sudden you go to do these skull crushers and they get real hard all of a sudden. So I don't mind using a little bit of momentum here. I just want to complete the reps. Got 94 pounds on the bar. It's a weird number. 33 pounds is the easy curl bar, 11 pounds in the small plates there, and then 50 pounds in the big green plates. And then after that, the shoulder was feeling good enough this week to do ring dips. Couldn't do them weighted yet this week, or didn't try doing them weighted. Last week I couldn't do them at all because the shoulder was still bugging me too much. So this week just wanted to get some reps in. Next week we'll start slowly adding some weight again. Love ring dips. They are definitely a lot harder than doing just regular dips with the instability. Get a wicked tricep pump there as well, and they really hit the chest well too. Okay, then I want to finish off with a single arm tricep movement. I want to do tape presses, but they're bugging my shoulders, so with these I can drop my angle of my elbow a little bit. This way I'm forcing my left tricep to work as hard as my right side. There's no compensation. That's it for the workout. Thanks for watching. Have a great night.